Hi, my name is Juanita. I'm here in the kitchen and I have had some requests for hamburger buns that are gluten free. And so I did a little bit of poking around on the web and found a recipe that is for basically four ingredients for gluten free hamburger buns. The ingredients are almond flour, sea salt. I used olive oil, and eggs. You can add other ingredients to the hamburger buns. In one batch, I added rosemary. So these are my hamburger buns. And what you would do is you let them cool completely before you cut them. To bake the hamburger buns, what I used were ramekins. And these ramekins are 10 ounces. I bought them at Kroger's. And the ramekins, you can use these in the oven or in the microwave if you choose. I did two at a time because I only have two ramekins. Preheat your oven to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix your ingredients well. Divide, if you're only using two ramekins this size, divide your batter in half. The other little trick that I like to do is use parchment paper. So I folded the parchment paper down into the ramekins before I poured the batter. Bake for 25 minutes, take out of the oven, let cool completely, then cut. Put your hamburger on it or put your turkey burger on it and enjoy a gluten-free hamburger bun.